Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft Teams Graph API for bots, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Microsoft Teams Graph API for bots, start by registering your application in the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure portal and sign in with your Microsoft account. Select the Azure Active Directory option from the left-hand menu. Click on App Registrations from the sidebar menu. Click on the New Registration button at the top of the screen. Provide a name for your application in the registration form. Choose the supported account types based on your requirements. In the Redirect URI field, select Web and enter your bot's callback URL. Click the Register button to create your application. Once your app is registered, take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Next, create a client secret for your application. Navigate to the Certificates and Secrets tab in your app registration settings. Click on the New Client Secret button. Add a description for the secret and select an expiry period. Click Add to generate the client secret. Copy the client's secret value, as it will not be displayed again. Now, configure API permissions for your application. Go to the API Permissions tab in the App Registration settings. Click on Add a Permission and select Microsoft Graph. Choose Application Permissions for bot scenarios. Select the permissions you need for your bot's functionality. Once you have selected the required permissions, click on the Add Permissions button. If needed, grant admin consent for the permissions to ensure they take effect. Now, you can authenticate and acquire an access token. Use the client ID, tenant ID, and client secret in your authentication requests. Send a post request to the Microsoft Identity Platform Token endpoint. Include the required parameters such as grant_type, client_ID, client_secret, and scope. Receive the access token in the response if the request is successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.